In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a document in DocuSign. If you've ever uploaded a file and noticed a page is sideways or upside down, don't worry. DocuSign makes it easy to fix right before you send it out for signatures. We'll start from the beginning so you can follow along smoothly. First, open DocuSign and choose Get Signatures. This creates a new envelope where you can prepare your document for sending. Click Upload, then choose Desktop if your file is saved there. Select the document you want to send. Once it's uploaded, you'll see the setup screen. Next, add your recipients. Enter the people who need to sign or receive copies and assign the correct roles if needed. Getting this right ensures everyone receives the document in the right order. When your recipients look good, click. Next, add fields to move into the tagging or preparation screen. This is where we'll rotate any misaligned pages. On the right side of the screen, you should see a panel with page thumbnails, small previews of each page in your document. Scroll to the page that needs correction. If you don't see the thumbnails, expand the panel or widen your browser window so the right sidebar is visible. Hover over the thumbnail of the page that's oriented incorrectly. Click the three dots, often labeled More Options, or look for the rotate icon on that thumbnail. Click Rotate once to turn the page 90 degrees clockwise. If the page is still not quite right, click Rotate again. Each click rotates another quarter turn, so keep clicking until the page is perfectly oriented. This change applies to that page for all recipients, ensuring everyone sees it the correct way. After rotating, glance at any fields you've placed or plan to place on that page. Rotation won't remove fields, but you may want to adjust their placement or alignment now that the page is upright. Repeat the same rotate action for any other pages that need it, moving through the thumbnails one by one. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Rotating from the thumbnails is the most reliable method to correct orientation. Zooming in can help you confirm the page is truly straight. And it's best to rotate before finalizing your fields so everything lines up cleanly on the page. That's it. You've uploaded your document, added your recipients, moved into the Add Fields screen, and used the thumbnail options to rotate pages until they look just right. From here, you can continue your normal preparation flow with confidence.